Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm up in Marathon County at the Eau Claire Dells, folks. It's very beautiful. There's a kind of a pan of the area first, and then I'm going to go over the waterfalls. I just want to say it's quite the trip up here, but it's worth it. And don't go to Eau Claire, because this is the Eau Claire River and the Eau Claire Dells County Park. The water comes underneath the bridge there. Kind of see how it has all different walls and stuff, different levels and stuff. As it comes out, got some hard rock. Looks almost like granite. And it goes down there. You can see how it makes different turns and stuff. I'm going to take a couple different videos. It says dangerous swimmers, rocks are undercurrent, deadly. The mighty Eau Claire River. It goes down that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the other side, because the other side is pretty dramatic too. See how the water's kind of like down shallow. Alright folks, I'm going to leave that at that right now.